Are you worried that strangers can scroll your photos or old posts? There's a button that hides most of it if your account supports it, and I'll show the fast lock and the fallback if you don't see the option. So, Facebook offers a feature where you can lock your Facebook profile, and I'll show you how to do it on iPhone. So first thing you want to do is to open the Facebook app. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture or your name, usually found at the top menu or the menu at the bottom right corner. Then you want to go to top three dots option, then simply look for the edit profile button, and look for the lock profile option in the menu that appears. And simply just tap on the lock profile button and then tap your lock your profile in the confirmation pop-up to complete the process. And once locked, a confirmation message will appear, and a lock indicator will be shown on your profile picture, signifying that only your friends can see your posts, photos, and other timeline content. So if the lock profile option is not available, simply just turn off your professional mode and go do the steps again, and you'll be able to lock your Facebook profile on your iPhone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.